You probably click this video because you want your beats to hit as hard as the beats that Deejay Zaca makes for Cheez Beezy Ntate Stunna, Vector, and other main industry codes. To get started, find the drum kit. The link is in the description, and also watch this video. Starting off, we start with the melody. This is a simple piano that I laid out. It's in F minor. I layered the piano with a pad. After that pad, I added this choir. Then if you listen to that first choir, it's an A choir, and this is an E choir. After that, I went and did this brass. I also found this second brass just to make the melody a little bit dramatic and also fast. I felt like the melody was kind of empty, so I layered this pad as well. If you're making the beat for artists, don't overdo it. Now I'm pretty much done with the melody, so let's go to the drums. I started off with this kick. Remember to always pick a kick that's hard for your beats to hit hard. Then I layered that kick with this 808. Then I also did this bass for when the 808 is off. I also played around with this snare, and if you've been watching my videos, you know this is the snare that I use the most, Beatchannel snare from my drum kit. After that, I layered these two hi-hats because I wanted them to sound a little bit thick. After that, I did another hi-hat just to play in the background. Then I did 2 instances of bongos. This is the first one, then this is the second one. After that, I'm pretty much done with the beat. I just had to arrange it, put in some effects and some drum fills. You can get all the drums that I used in this beat. The link is in the description. And remember guys, always keep it simple. Bye.